Hey mama, today in this video we're going to talk about should you be doing anything specific to prepare your body for birth while you're in third trimester. So it came about that today I was at the trampoline park with my older boys and I was talking to one of my friends who was there as our sons were playing, and she is currently, I think 2 days ago, just entered into her third trimester. So she is looking to have a natural birth, looking to have a good holistic experience and enjoy this pregnancy time frame. So I want to share with you the same tips that I shared with her. And if you're looking for that same type of experience, this video, listen all the way to the end, it's for you. But the number one thing, if I gave any piece of advice to her, to you, to any of you, is that basically you need to make sure your hips are open and they're loose and you're not having a lot of restrictions around the pelvis. So restrictions around the pelvis can be like your hip flexors, it can be in your glute muscles, it can be your lower back, like that belt line area behind you. You want to make sure all of those areas feel good. If you're feeling stiffness, if you're feeling low back pain, yes, it can sometimes be because of the weight that you're carrying and all of a sudden everything's out front, especially that third trimester when you just get larger. Baby's getting larger, a lot of moms start to carry more fluids and kind of swell. If you're having some of these things and your OB says it's just simply your part of your process, then you want to make sure you're stretching and moving and doing mobility almost every single day. By doing this, you're going to have an easier birth because baby can get down inside of the birth canal because your pelvis can expand as it's supposed to. Your body was made to be able to do this, and it's honestly it's such a miracle of events that just happen. Your body knows exactly what to do, but you can help it and help it be ready by making sure that you're not tight along the way. So happy to support you, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.